how to check the container size in web browser, especially in Chrome browser, not only Google Chrome but also Edge. Yeah, so it's actually easy. Let's say we have this website here and you want to know how big is this. It's you just need to right click on anywhere on the page, right? Anywhere you could click here, and then wherever you get the inspect, click on inspect. Window such as this will show out, right? You don't actually need this, but what you need to do is just click this one so you could uh, point to an element in the page, right? Now go back to the page. You just point it and notice the pop-up that is shown around here, yeah, above the image. Every time there's a size there. This one has 546 times 547. That's the image, the container size of that image. And this one, actually the container image is the container size is actually 359.28 in width, and the maximum height, I think it's 107. If you look at the pop-up that's that is popped in the top of the element. And if you want to check how big is the image actually rendered, right, just make it hover until it's just the image that is highlighted in blue. Same with everything else. You want to know the container of this one, just hover over it, right? You want to know the container of this one, you just take a look, hover over it, and then you could see the size of that element. That's the container size, right? I think that's all. So you can do this not only for images but for every element in a web page. I hope you could find the size, and if you have any more questions, just feel free to ask me. Okay.